Jeep Wranglers with a service transmission light or displayed on the screen on the speedometer. Ran into this issue on a brand new 23 one with a manual transmission. Had 85 miles on it. I replaced the clutch under safety recall 19A. Had the service transmission light, couldn't figure it out. After I did some digging personally on the pod, the OBD plug-in, there was a setting to reset clutch, AAPROM or something like that. I'll post the screenshot. This was after I had already reset the clutch and reset the gears. That didn't turn the light off. I've made the car go to sleep, unplugged the batteries, the whole nine. I tried to even trip the system, you know, maybe wake up a module or something like that. We could not figure this out, but it ended up being just that clutch reset. Of course, I replaced the clutch, and that's all I needed to do. But Chrysler and Mopar did not have that stated in the recall or on their service manual, so I had to figure that one out myself. We were kind of stumped. This was also a sold unit, so the customer was definitely wanting their brand new Jeep. I couldn't have it because we couldn't figure out what was the deal with it, but got it figured out. Everybody's happy. Hopefully this video will help you as well. Thanks, guys.